Alright, so I'm showing you a bunch of chords and then some progressions using those chords. This is A minor, which is the key chord of the charango, and this E7, which is a really good chord to precede the A minor no matter what. You can just jam on A minor and E7 for a long time. This is F, and then G, and here's a D7. E minor, B, B flat. B flat is good for G minor jams. G minor, F, G flat. B minor would just be a bar because it's A minor open tuning. So A, some of my favorite progressions are like classic hit the road jack, A, G, F, E. That's a good one to jam for a tongue. I like going like A minor, B minor, C, G, F, E, A, B, C, G, F, E. That's kind of a quicker one. That other one I was showing you is going from like B to E minor to E7 to A minor. There's lots of things you can do, just like a G, D, F. That's a nice progression. It almost always goes back to A minor, unless you're playing in G. Triplet strumming style, and you have to have a long fingernail on your index finger, and you want to do it up here, and it's triplets, so it's like... And my wrist is pretty much just flowing in the wind there. Really strong index finger. And I'm kind of starting the attack with the triplet. They have a way of throwing in the triplet all the time, but here's a progression you could do with it. You can kind of fake it using your thumb too on the upswing of it. A bit easier and sounds pretty much the same. That was kind of throwing it in a different spot of the rhythm. You can either do it at the beginning or in the middle. That's the cheating way of doing it. It still sounds good. This is the real way. I'm using my thumb on the bottom string, and then my index finger on the third string, then my third finger on the fourth string, then back to my thumb on the second string and my third finger on the last string. Usually I won't go right to the thumb after, it'll be like... That's a really fast version of it. You could also do like threes, triplets. I wanted to show you just the main scale also is like 5, 3, 2, 0, then 4, 2, 5, 2. Different variations of that. that's how you'll have fun. It's just kind of like playing open and doing one note at a time and seeing where it leads you. So this is a part where I'm using all the 3 fingers here for plucking a G chord, and it's kind of like a little jig. The G chord and the F chord.